Hey Perry, here's your question for today. Do you have any tips for a cleaner color application around the hairline?
Okay, so the worst offenders for that is always darker hair color. Darker hair color always has a way of really staining the skin, as you can see from this picture. One of the things I like to do is use a smaller brush around the hairline. But one of my favorite things to do is use what Caitlin calls a spoolie, but it's a mascara wand, or a spoolie. So, this is how I use it. Zip right on in up into here, okay? Once the color is on there, I will take and just kind of roll it in. And that will get rid of the odor. Then I'll come after it with a damp cloth and wipe it away. Just kind of take and wipe that away. I do this pretty soon after I've applied it. Most generally, that's how I do it, okay? That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, so you see how that looks compared to that? All right. Now this has the added benefit of working it into little baby hairs and covering the gray better. Here's something else too. Don't face your client during COVID-19. Don't face your client when doing it. Keep them at an angle. Just like when she's in the sink, we'll put a towel over her face because she's more susceptible. Because we're standing over her, we'll cover her face with a towel. Protect your clients, take care of people. Do your best to protect everybody you can. Okay, cool. Yep, that's it.
Thanks, Perry.
All right.